Hi everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings and Stamping Camp with Mary, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I want to show you all the new stamp cleaning pad. I just got it, and you will notice that it's fairly clean. I used it a couple of times, but I want to show you how it works. It's a glycerin type thing. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use some Pretty Peacock, and where is my lovely lipstick? Red. So first off, I'm just going to ink up and I'm going to stamp that, and then I'm going to clean it with that. And it comes off pretty good. I don't know if you can see that well. Okay, so now one of the things that everybody is saying who's used this, oh, now I got red all over me, says that this won't stain as red as red. Now I've used this a couple of times to stamp for the red. This is lovely lipstick. Now it still gives you a little red. Let me bring this up but you really can't. It's not like the other one where you just use the water to clean it. So, and I haven't used the Versamark on this one. So I'm thinking that I like my Stampin' Chamois. I love my Stampin' Chamois, but this might work a little more for the photopolymer for, oh, that, yeah, like that's you're gonna be able to see that, folks. There. This works a little bit better maybe for the photopolymer. So this is our stamp cleaning pad. All the information is down below if you want to purchase that, and I'd really would be pleased if you purchased from me. And don't forget to follow me on YouTube. Thanks for visiting. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.